Buddy,
we've just noticed, me and Becca, I've just noticed that Gilbert, this is a present that I got him as part of my present to my sister for the birthday today, and during the course of the day he's ate half of his wheel. The other half had like parsley or something, and he's ate the whole thing just today.
He's a fatty.
Becky, do you give permission? Becca? Becca?
Whatever.
Either way. Do you have permission for me to put this on the YouTubes?
Fatty. Yes.
She is Hiccups. It's
Feel
cute.
free.
It's very cute, but oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. You're a greedy bunny.
That is impressive.
You're a greedy bunny. You're a greedy antisocial bunny.
Why is there very.
You're so cute, but you're greedy and antisocial. Okay.
Right. I need to go.
Night, bunny. Night, Becca.
Yay.
Good luck with the hiccups.
Bitch.